Imagine you are walking along a quiet tropical beach. The salty breeze brushes against your face. The sound of waves fills the air. Then your eyes stop on one tree. It looks almost perfect. Its glossy green leaves shimmer in the light. Clusters of elegant white flowers bloom among the branches. Green fruits hang like small mangoes, inviting and ordinary. If someone asked you to pick the most dangerous thing in this landscape, would you choose this beautiful tree? Most people wouldn't. And that's exactly what makes this story so fascinating. Because hidden inside this ordinary-looking tree is one of nature's most remarkable survival strategies. A strategy so effective that, for many years, it puzzled scientists, challenged forensic investigators, and earned the tree one of the darkest nicknames in the botanical world: the suicide tree. But here's the question that makes this story unforgettable. Why would a tree evolve such an extraordinary defense? To answer that, we have to travel back millions of years, to a time when survival depended not on speed or strength, but on chemistry. Nature often warns us when something is dangerous. Bright colors, sharp thorns, terrifying jaws. Venomous snakes advertise their danger. Porcupines carry thousands of sharp quills. Even skunks announce themselves before they spray. But plants play a very different game. They can't run. They can't hide. They can't fight back with claws. So over millions of years, plants invented another weapon: chemistry. Instead of muscles, they built molecules. Some plants produce sticky sap. Others grow painful spines. Some create chemicals so bitter that animals spit them out after one bite. And then there are a few plants that took this strategy much further. Cerbera odollam is one of them. It doesn't tower above the forest. It doesn't glow with bright colors. It simply blends into the landscape. Its beauty is ordinary. And sometimes, ordinary things are the easiest to overlook. Imagine walking past this tree every day. You'd admire its flowers. You might rest beneath its shade. You might never suspect that hidden inside one small seed is a chemical defense powerful enough to stop large animals from eating it. Nature didn't make this tree frightening. So why is this beautiful tree called the suicide tree? The name itself sounds like something from a mystery novel. But the story behind it is both tragic and scientific. The seeds of Cerbera odollam contain powerful natural chemicals called cardiac glycosides. Don't let the scientific name scare you. Think of your heart as a perfectly synchronized orchestra. If one instrument speeds up, or another slows down, the entire performance falls apart. Your heartbeat works the same way. Tiny electrical signals tell your heart exactly when to contract and relax. These natural chemicals interfere with that delicate rhythm. When enough of the toxin enters the body, those electrical signals become disrupted. The heart no longer beats as it should. For the tree, this isn't an act of aggression. It's a shield. Its goal isn't to hunt. It isn't trying to attack humans. It simply protects the seed inside the fruit, the tree's future. Every seed is a promise of another generation. If animals ate every fruit before the seeds could grow, the species would slowly disappear. So evolution found another solution. Instead of making the fruit impossible to reach, It made eating it a mistake. That simple idea has protected this tree for countless generations. But the mystery doesn't end there. Because this poison would eventually attract attention from an unexpected group of people. Not botanists. Not gardeners. But forensic scientists. And that's where this story takes an extraordinary turn. To understand why this tree became so chemically powerful, we need to understand where it lives. Life along tropical coastlines isn't easy. At first glance, these places seem peaceful. But beneath the beauty lies a constant battle. Salt from the sea seeps into the soil. Powerful storms reshape the shoreline. Floods can wash away young plants before they have a chance to grow. Nutrients are often limited. Every seed faces enormous challenges. And there is another threat. Hungry animals. Crabs search the ground for fallen fruit. Insects burrow into seeds. Mammals browse on young plants whenever food becomes scarce. For a tree rooted in one place, escape is impossible. Imagine being unable to run from danger for your entire life. What would you do? Nature answered that question millions of years ago. Instead of moving, the tree changed its chemistry. Generation after generation, the plants with stronger chemical defenses were more likely to leave surviving offspring. Slowly, almost invisibly, evolution shaped Cerbera odollam into a master of survival. Its roots learned to tolerate salty coastal conditions. Its leaves adapted to harsh sunlight. Its seeds became protected by potent natural compounds that discouraged animals from eating them. This wasn't a sudden invention. It was the result of countless generations solving one problem after another. Every successful tree passed its advantages to the next generation. Over millions of years, tiny improvements accumulated into one extraordinary survival strategy. And that's one of evolution's greatest secrets. It doesn't build perfection overnight. It builds solutions. One generation at a time. That ordinary-looking fruit is more than just a seed. It's the product of millions of years of evolutionary engineering. A masterpiece shaped by wind, salt, hungry animals, and time itself. But here's the mystery that scientists would later uncover. The very chemical shield that helped this tree survive in the wild would eventually become one of the most challenging natural toxins for forensic investigators to detect. The next chapter of this remarkable story